And we're also recognizing some citizens for helping save a life during a bar encounter. So thank you for coming. Also want to point out this is the first award ceremony in the new building. So we finally have a home and you're making history. And finally, I would say, especially for those that are visitors here, if you haven't already seen our museum waiting for the award ceremony to start, I would encourage you to stay a little bit later after the award ceremony. And everything in the public area has lots of historical, whether it's artifacts, equipment, guns, in the glass cases, or history photos, including the first sheriff's appointment as sheriff of Flagler County in 1917. There was a photo of him with his horse and buggy, and that's how he responded to calls. So a lot of interesting history if you take the time to look at it. So.
Chaplains enhance law enforcement services by making related spiritual support available to those who live, work, and visit Flagler County. To date, the team has provided over 140 hours of volunteer services. Their volunteer services include deputy sheriff ride-alongs and participation in agency events. They have rendered exceptional service to the community by providing comfort, resources, and professionalism to those who they proudly serve.
Assisted the Flagler County Supervisor of Elections with the escort of ballots from polling locations to the main elections office. This request came in on the eve of Election Day with 8 locations to cover. Despite the short notice, a team was quickly assembled to assist with this request. The COP team's efficient response shows the continued commitment this team has to our community and the support of Sheriff's Office operations.
1,000 calls a year off of the backs of the deputy sheriff, so they can focus on crime to escort services like this in a pretty volatile election season. So get ready for 2024. Probably going to be really even more interesting. But thank you very much. Really appreciate the dedication. And the unsecurity of the building. Otherwise, you have to be escorted. So, except unless you're smart. So, all right. Thank you for coming.